Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. I have a laptop Lenovo LOQ 151AX9E model, and this laptop is not working, Windows not working, mousepad not working, keypad. So how can you fix this problem? This is totally new laptop and no have set up the Windows. You can see here no setup Windows. So now I have bootable Windows 11 one. This laptop I will install now. Automatic will be bootable the Windows 11. So after you can't use the laptop mousepad or keypad anything. So I have to extra keyboard and external mouse. So now we'll set up the Windows on this laptop, and after that not working internet. So how can I fix this? I will show all of this on this video. This is the setup English USA. So I have to use external mouse. You can see this mouse pad is not working. So external mouse, select and install now. Now I don't have product key. So select Windows 11 Pro, next, and I accept Microsoft license team and custom install advanced set, and here is the I have to partition 2. Okay, so first one this one for the Windows partition and second one for the data. So I go back again, set this third partition and press next. Now installing Windows on this laptop. Okay, you have to wait until complete and take restart several times to your laptop, and then will be open with Windows 11. Guys, almost done our Windows setup. So this option need to connect the internet. So press next. United States. So you need external mouse and keyboard, I told you, and USA, and then skip another language keyboard, and here is asking for the Ethernet connection only available, no Wi-Fi working also. So how can you open the bypass system? Press shift plus F10, F10 plus shift, and you can see the pop up this Windows, and click here by the mouse and type OOBE backspace bypass NRO. You can see this option and press the enter, and you can see your Windows will be restart. Our Windows open again, the same option United States, and I have to select USA and skip, and then you can see here is the option I don't have internet connection. So press this option. Without internet connection we can open now Windows 11. This is the bypass option. So type here the username. So I type here LOG, and then next without password, and next and accept. Now we'll open your Windows without internet connection. Guys, finally our Windows is open. So now you can see here is no working Wi-Fi. So how can you bring Wi-Fi and mouse pad and the keypad? Nothing working now. You have to connect the internet connection. So now I will bring the desktop icon. So here is the desktop icon I have to bring, and then now I will connect the Ethernet connection. So only the Ethernet connection is available and sound, otherwise is not working anything. How can you check? Go to the computer, right click and go to the show more option and go to the manager, go to the manage, and then you can see the here device manager. You can see here is all this driver for this laptop is not working. So you have to connect the Ethernet connection, and it will be update automatically. So guys, here I connect the Ethernet connection, you can see, and now updating this option, and you can see here is now working the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi here is working, and also have update some option. Graphics card is update, and another graphics card, this NVIDIA is still not update. So this all option you have to update. If do not update automatically, so you have to download the software from this website and you can update. You can see here is the updating option. Okay, download and update. Here is downloading all everything, and it will be update. This website you can go and download this Lenovo laptop. You have to type like this and you can see the download option. So you can download all that. There is option you can scan and download all the drivers. So it will be scanned now. Or you can select the manually driver. Here is all driver. You can see mouse, keyboard, pad. So I have to download mouse, keyboard, pad. Okay, again the another software, the display graphics. This here is the Intel graphics, also have the NVIDIA. So two NVIDIA graphics. Okay, so I have to come back, and here is the BIOS update, audio, display, motherboard, backup, chipset. So you have to update also chipset. And here is the landline already done, power management software. So you can download all these drivers from this website. You can see all is downloading. So I have to download all this. So here is a speaker driver. So if do not working also the speaker, so you have to download this all driver. So if working, so no need to download. So just here is the BIOS update. Many updates of the BIOS have. So almost done all the updated drivers. After that you have to copy this. You can download from another laptop, and you have to bring to the laptop, and you have to install, and then you can see all drivers is working. So now this is the another laptop. I have the laptop is not working, so I go down, take all these drivers and go another laptop and check. So now I am installing the mousepad driver. We'll see it's the mousepad driver almost finished. And guys, now you can see all the driver is installed done. You can see at last I have to install the two drivers of the VGA graphics, Intel and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 Lenovo GPU, and also the audio drivers. All everything is complete, and you can see now is working the mouse pad, working the keypad, working the Wi-Fi, working sound, everything is perfectly working now. So guys, see all is working perfectly, and all driver here is the finish. How can you see you have not installed the USB driver, not install the drivers? Here you can see the YOLO trend, that is mean your some drivers is missing. So you have to download all this driver and install. You can see I have to download all this and install, and now is working perfectly. So thank you guys. Now I'll show you this all driver. I install another laptop. So guys, after install Windows, you can see all this driver is not working. Also the Ethernet connection is not working. So how can you fix this? So I have to external USB drive, and I have to download this drivers on this laptop. Okay, this is the driver. So I have to go to the show more option, right click manager and disk management, and I have to go this option. I have to delete volume, and next I have to open another partition. So I paste here is the driver, and now file is transfer done. Now I will open this all the drivers. You can see just open, and here you can see yes and English and install now, and you have to see here all is YOLO trend. You can see many things is YOLO. So I will install all the driver, and after that you can see your laptop is working perfectly. So this one I have to already install. The another one. So or you can connect the Ethernet connection, and it's the best if you download the all the drivers and install manually, or you can update internet. You can see updating now. Intel chipset is updating. Any laptop after install Windows, if do not work the drivers, do not work the mouse keypad, you can see mouse is not working, keyboard not working, so you can download the drivers same model from the internet another computer, and you have to install all these drivers like this. All the drivers have name, so you have to install and download all these from that website. You can see I have more also, the network and the mouse and keyboard drivers not working also. This is the Bluetooth driver. See, this is the audio driver, you have to install also. So this is the Wi-Fi driver. So now you can see it, the Wi-Fi will be work after finish the install driver. You can see here is our Wi-Fi is working. You can see, so very easy and simple. You can fix all this driver. And this is the NVIDIA graphics driver. Guys, here you can see the NVIDIA graphics card is installed driver, and it's still finished. So now I will take restart. Okay, mouse you can see working, keyboard working, and other things is working. So now I will take restart the computer. Okay, by the mouse, see, mouse pad. So after take restart, you can see you just connect the Wi-Fi and it will be work all the option. See, everything is working, and here is have some update. You have to, you can see here is the downloading and update Windows version. So you have to wait and take restart, and you can see all your option is working perfectly like this. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. See, all driver is done.